Welcome to Pokemon Freak, guys, and welcome to the part 1 of episode 4 or 5, I don't know. Over here I got a Helioptile, and the only reason that I wanted to bring this to you up now is that I have to show you something. It's gonna be amazing, guys. This is a mini sword now. I'm gonna continue it at the night. Thunder Russ. You can watch this right now. This is gonna be a short part over here. I'm gonna add Helioptile on my party afterwards. Alright guys, now look at that thing, guys. It's my first ride Pokemon. A Rhyhorn, guys. Look at it. Now this is gonna be a short intro. Oh, I already that the Helioptile was my encounter, guys. So yeah, that's it. I can't. This is so amazing, guys. I just liked it. It was so cool. The first riding Pokemon. Let's see now what happens, guys. I want to see what happens. Oh, I can't go there. And Hippopotas. I can repel it, guys. Oh, this is gonna be pretty annoying. Run. X bag. Now I didn't have any ideas for it, but let's just see. Just look at that, guys. My Rhyhorn is smashing the rocks. How cool is that? Just press the A button and there's a lot of distraction right now, guys. That's just for the mini so that I had to show. I have to do lots of editing today. That's for it, guys. Just I'm gonna do a bit of more of this stuff right now. But that's it, guys. I can't do it for too long. Wait, how to get the title? Alright, afterwards, how to leave Rhyhorn though? This is so epic, guys. X Pokemon. And my Azurill even evolved into a Marill, guys. So that's some kind of good luck. You can say two evolve, not Marill actually, Azumarill. So yeah, double bonus for me. And this is a mini sword, guys, not an actual episode. Just to give a small heads up of this. Now I'm gonna continue it at the night. I'm gonna save it for now. You're gonna see welcome to Pokemon Freak again. So that's for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and you'll see me talking at the night. To Pokemon Freak, guys, and you just saw the mini sword. Oh no, I have to just smash those rocks again. Like come on. Alright. So before this started, I made a mini sword. I didn't upload it though. You can just see it right now. Before you see this, you can see that. Just rewind a bit if you want to see it again. I got a Pokemon, you can say. Yeah, I got a Helioptile. Damn, I want a Sandile. Well, we can just forget about the Sandile and focus more, right? I like Sandal, guys. I found a shiny Sandal on my black white playthrough, guys. That was so epic. I was searching for a Trapinch because I thought Flagon was much better than uh, that was the Pokemon. Sandal, but then I just used a shiny Sandal. Even though shiny Krokorok was so ugly, you can say. And even I found a shiny Orbital in Pokemon Sword. So that's the thing. It was without a shiny charm, guys. I got it before. Just I needed to evolve Galarian Corsola into Cursola, and then I got a shiny, guys. Look how crazy. And alright, just skip him out there. Okay, look bad me. Alright, come on, let's. What's his name though? I wanna know the. Oh, when I get into it, I will know the name. Alright, let's see what the name is. Glittering Cave. Alright, guys, I think this is a place where I can get Zygarde. No, that's too early for the game. I know. I think in Glittering Cave, I think in some cave. No, I think we find some kind of Zygarde cells or something. It's a split path. I'm gonna take this. Alright. What is it? It's a Pokemon. Let's see. Oh shit, damn it, a Lunatone. That's what I got. It's high level though, guys. I may well use it. It's a rock and psychic type. A rock and a psychic type is pretty waste. Ah, trash it. I missed my encounter, guys. I hate this. I missed my encounter. Like, come on. I could have got 50, 100, 1000 Pokemon. But because of this going, I'm not learning. Oh, Magmar is a try to learn scary face. It's just some random Pokemon. Wait, I want to just see. What if I continue it? Oh, I can't continue. Alright. I should have not even taken the split path, guys. Damn it. Alright. Let's go for it. Alright. What is it now? Another Lunatone. Like, come on. Good that it was split path. Alright. I'm gonna KO that Lunatone too. Come on. But guys, if it survives, I'm gonna catch it. Okay, never mind. Alright. Because both of the Lunatone were same, so it doesn't matter though. Alright. Like there's no okay, there's a split path, guys. I have to take this split. So let's take this this camera angle, alright. Let's take this split path and it's gonna be another Lunatone, I know. Come on, Lunatone or Solrock. It's a Rhyhorn. Oh. Nice. I'm gonna KO that. Fight water. Like this is giving a lot of EXP, guys. I'm gonna do it. Why not? Why not? Why not? Rose Dahlia. I don't know which episode this is, guys. I am not in tact with the episodes because I don't have to just see the previous episode and say, oh yeah, this is that. Alright, so that's what it happens. I'm gonna run from this Rhyhorn though. I don't know anything. I don't know if I'm going in the right direction though. This is so confusing. Oh, for the item, Hearthstone. Alright. Now run. Yeah, I'm telling run. Alright. Look at that, guys. It's just like some kind of a horror movie, no guys, just turning around. I love to play those type of games if they were in real life, but another Lunatone, come on. Come on, Game Freak, what did you think? You could have made that we could have got all the well, comfy form, wait, not comfy. What is that Pokemon? Flabby forms over here, that would have been a thing. That's good. Or you could have made us get the evolved forms of Pansear, Pansage, and what's the other one? Water type suck. Alright. I think I have to take the split path over here, guys. I'm not sure. Why is this camera angle so big? Alright. I just got it, guys. Alright. Go. Go. Alright. I think it's a TM Shadow Claw, guys. Shadow Claw. Game Freak is dead now. They made the game so easy. Like you have only a badge and you have TM Shadow Claw. That's a 70 base power move. I'm gonna teach it to Charmander big. Bag. I don't think the Charmander can learn it. Charmander, come on. Sorry for telling Charmander, guys. Alright, see 70 base power move, guys. The game is dead. Alright. I'm gonna get rid of Scratch. Scratch is pretty worse. Scratch is the worst move out there. Alright. B. Alright. Go. Another split. Oh, it's not a split path. Alright, we reached the end of the cave, I guess. Or is it? I think here's where I get the Mega Stone for Aerodactyl. Oh, it's a Team Flare person. What's this? What do you mean? I just came here. You know not to play with fire. Bro, I'm telling you, I have played with fire a lot of times. Don't even get me started how much I played with fire. Just gonna see the time where I need it. Don't tell me stop playing with fire. Alright, I have put my hand in fire. I survived it. I didn't get a burn though. It's like a trick. Like when the fire comes, guys, you just have to lit a candle or something. Just slide it in. What is this thing? I feel like you're in the way. Do you know how to pick fights? Yes. Oh, I have to press no though. Alright. I have to press no. No. Houndour, thanks for it. I'm a Quanjay. It's gonna kill you. Alright, Team Flare Grunt. Come on in. Houndour is dead. Alright, Houndour is dead now, guys. It's dead. Name it as Dead Door. That's kind of it. Now I was telling you about the fire trick, guys. Alright, so you need to have the candle. Just slowly, just do like some kind of a fast quick attack with your finger. Oh no, not quick attack, double team actually to be more. You just do like that, and it's gonna actually make so that the fire doesn't even like with the air power, the fire just extinguishes a bit, and then your finger slides off. Like that's not there's nothing risky in that, guys. And if you're telling me not to play with fire, don't be that much Team Flare Grunt. And you know what? I think fire type has got a lot of disrespect, guys. Like Team Magma Fire, Team Flare Fire. Come on. What is this? Wait, we could see someone. Oh, he's researching. Wait, can I just take that card and go out there? Oh no, alright, that's fine. That's fine with me. I think I can just take. It's nothing over there. Alright guys, I'm gonna resume my path. Oh guys, but this trail tracks, it just looks like the Galar cave. The Galar mine, sorry. Gulpin. Oh god, there are lots of grunts over here. Like a Pokemon Sword and Shield, there were. Game Freak is running out of ideas, guys. I'm gonna tell you. Game Freak is running out of ideas. Like, they're so low. that, like, what should I tell you? There is nothing enjoyable in that game, guys. There's nothing enjoyable. All the villains are helpers. For the first time in Pokemon history, they help us. They are a part of a gym leader. They help the gym leader. They support the gym leader. And the gym leader has a Dynamax the Pokemon. What the hell? Even though she not Dynamax, leave Dynamax, she doesn't even Gigantamax her Pokemon. Like, come on. Pyres and her city and the gym leader city, we can't even fly through the flying taxi because it's not even popular, guys. Come on. What is it, Game Freak? Running out of ideas? Come on, contact me, please contact me. I made a Pokemon region in Scratch. Yeah, you alright. See this, guys. I'm gonna just show you for a sec. Alright. Game Freak is lazy, guys. I'm gonna tell you. File, open, Windows C, Pokemon details. Alright. Oh wait, I have to go to Scratch projects. Alright. Scratch projects, and yeah, here it is, my own Pokemon. Guys, Game Freak is lazy, guys. I'm gonna assure you 100% Game Freak is lazy. And in my region as statues, guys. Look at this. This is all the places that you can visit. Stop it, dogs. Alright. And this is the complete town map. I made all the Pokemon, guys. Look at this, guys. Game Freak is lazy. This is a freaking legendary of the game, guys. It's pretty epic. I made the moves and everything, but I'm too lazy to actually upload this. Look at that, guy. That's the Raven fossil. That's a fossil, guys. It's so freaking cool. If anyone knows programming, gaming, please contact me. I'll share this file in scratch.mit.edu.in or com. I don't care of that. And please design the game for me. I will play it. And please don't make all the trainers skippable. Yeah, I want that. I want that. That should be like, they should be trainers to battle. Oh wait, that's a Pokemon. I need to save my PP. Alright. I have a ether though, but I don't want to use it. I'm using it when my water pulses PP is 1. Now double battle. No, damn it. And please make sure whoever will make the game, no double battles, please. I just hate double battles. They suck badly. They suck so badly, guys. I hate double battles. Like, there's a lot of strategizing to do. Many people think that that's a strong point, but for me, that's a weak point because strategizing is too tough. Like, can you make a Pokemon? If you can strategize, keep strategizing. It's too tough. The only thing that I like about double battles is if a champion is with you. If a champion is with you, tell yeah, I have a champion. Have champion lands with me. I'm gonna take on Team Rocky like hardcore. Soul Silver, but now it's not there. I don't know, for some apparent reason. Esper, come on, look. This is the next point. But these people use that it deserves to Esper. Why did you use light screen? That's it. That's what you deserve. Faint. Why did you even use light screen? Like, that Pokemon is about to die. I mean, yeah, faint. But this is a Nuzlocke, so it's gonna die. I'm not gonna tell every episode that it's a Nuzlocke, guys. I'm just sick of it. I'm just sick of it. It's gonna be in the title, guys. Title. Refer the title. RTT. Alright. Absol is a pretty good Pokemon though. So, can you please tell me where do I get one? I'm playing a Nuzlocke right now. So if you can just give it as a gift Pokemon to me, I'll be super happy. Please. Please. She's not even responding to me, guys. Come on, stop being like that. You should respond me, alright? Stop. Come on, look at that guy. Absol fainted. And a Scratch is getting the Moxie boost. Like crazy. Now she even has. Wait, is it Serena or Trevor or Shauna or who else is it? Tyan? No, I don't know. Like there are some 5 gangs or something. Alright, pin missile. Come on, 10. Come on. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, please cry. Team Flare, please cry. I wanna see Fire crying. That's gonna be. Come on, what? Forget it. But how do I? Wait, what do you say? I'm a trainer protecting my partners. What I do? Oh, it's Serena. Alright. Come on, let's go look for the researcher from the fossil lab. Alright. How do I get the? Alright, guys. Those paper blocks so nicely. They should be hired in Team Rocket, guys. The Team Rocket doesn't even know how to maintain their hideout or any place that to capture. Alright, let's find it. It's over here. If you can hear dog sounds, I would not advise you to dislike the video, please. I don't know, alright? I can't record during the morning when the box because there's a lot of noise. Oh, Jaw fossil. I think Jaw is the dragon. What is that dragon name? What's it? Tyrant, and Sail is for Amora. So I can get a ice and a dragon type. That's pretty cool. And a rock and a dragon type. That's pretty cool. So rock or ice, guys. Please vote. Can't vote. Alright. I have to choose rock or ice. Rock, ice, nothing. Rock, ice. Rock or ice. I'm gonna just genuinely just do that. Okay, I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna close my eyes and then gonna press A. Right? You're seeing it, guys. I've closed my eyes. Alright, I don't know. Oh, Jaw fossil. Alright, Jaw fossil is it, guys. It's Jaw fossil. I legitimately closed my eyes, guys. I'm a honest Pokemon. Alright, thanks for the Jaw fossil. I'm gonna revive it and get a new Pokemon. I'm gonna add it to the team, the great team. Okay, now I'm gonna use X bag. I'm gonna do something that's gonna just cut out this game. Alright, so where is my secret? Oh yeah, escape rope. Come on, I have 2 of them. I'm gonna use 1. Alright, that's it, guys. That's how to get out of this game. Oh, we are still here though. Oh, we're in Route 9. We're somehow here though, guys. So X bag. I'm gonna use repel so that I don't get too much. Alright, repel. Use. Stop it, dog. Stop it. Like that's a good rock smash, guys. Come on, stop it, dogs. I don't know what's even making. Come on, Raihan, just go up faster because my repel's gonna end. Like Raihan is such a slow Pokemon, guys. I'm gonna have fun when it's go good. Now the only reason Raihan is slow because of this rock patch. Like I wish there was some like the Galarian Slowpoke in Isle of Armor. Like that's crazy. That's crazy. That's too high. That's too high. That's too high, guys. That's too high. Galarian Slowbro is too. Slowpoke is so high. It's so fast. It's like fast poke, a quick poke, or thunder poke because electricity is fast. It resembles fast, guys. Alright. B. Now I just found out that you should press the B button to get out of this ride on. I was searching Google even though internet, alright. I have pretty bad internet now. So that's why it takes like 2 hours to upload them. No? Alright. Let's go back and revive the fossil. Come on, a new Pokemon. Wait, I think this is a research lab. Alright. Alright, let's go to the research lab, guys. It's gonna be amazing. Alright, my new Pokemon. Yes. Alright, guys. My Pokemon is coming. My Pokemon is coming, guys. I wish if it's high level. Tyrant. Box 1. Now I can't rename it though. That's fine. That's fine, guys. It doesn't matter. Fossil Pokemon. I'm gonna nickname it Tyrant. Tyrant is gonna be the nickname. Let's just check. Load is pretty bad. Area of Tyrant. Oh, Tyrant level 20, guys. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm gonna take it. Deposit Pokemon. Alright. I have like a fire type and I'm gonna get a flying type, guys. So I don't think Fletchend is good, but its flame bot is pretty good and it's a good competitive Pokemon if by chance. I have a water type, so I'm gonna deposit the Fairyl and then I'm gonna withdraw. Oh, good, guys. Now there's nothing more to do in this game. I was planning on seeing some video. Wait. Oh, wait. I'm gonna just organize boxes. Oh, I should have run this, guys. Alright. And it's a good competitive build also. Stealth Rock is gonna just go build rate. I think I should have replaced my Frogadier, but who replaces that, guys? And I have to just tell you that I didn't have a single death so far. What a good streak, guys. Many people tell, oh yeah, oh my Pokemon is dead. Oh wow. My Pokemon is dead. My Pokemon is dead. My Pokemon fainted. Pokemon fainted. The Charizard defeated my Pokemon. All sort of crazy things happen, but not for me. But I think this is some kind of a secret route, guys. I'm gonna find. Let's see. Alright, an item, guys. That's for the video, guys. Oh, Heartskill, let's go. Alright, that's for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and you'll see me talking in the next. Oh, just kidding. I have to just do some more stuff, but that's gonna be off screen.